Hey there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam, and this FreeCAD video going to be a little bit different, little bit special because finally we are not going to edit preferences. In this video, we're going to talk about add-on manager, which is really the cool thing about FreeCAD as this is open source and supported by a huge community. It have got so many add-ons, even some of the most advanced or paid software do not have. That can turn your FreeCAD into something which is of a very high productivity. So let's see and access the add-on manager. For that, you need to go here in tools and then look for add-on manager. Let's click on it. Now here you will see library of community add-ons. And then here you can see these are in alphabetical order. You can also choose them based on the date created and so on. You can also filter it by workbench, macro and so on. So for example, let's click here on macro. So here you can see there are so many macro that are already there. For example, if somebody would like to create aerofoil, it is already there. In other and even paid software, you will not have this kind of luxuriness. Really, I mean, you can see how many here we have. Now, from my side, I think there are certain workbench that I really recommend. For example, if you make assemblies where you really need nut and bolt, then in that case, you can get a Fastener Workbench. So let me quickly go here and probably I can search it here, Fastener, and there we go. So here you can see you're gonna get some of the common fastener, and here you can also see the preview of it. So if you want, you simply can click on install. And now here you can see we have successfully installed it. So it was that easy. Another one that I think makes sense is A2plus or assembly 4. Again, I'm gonna search it here and it was available directly here, which is kind of alternative of assembly workbench. So if you are not satisfied with the current assembly workbench, you can have a look at it. Now let's say you want to draw curves or advanced surfaces, then in that case you can have the curve workbench installed. Okay, so this one is also quite good, and then you are also seeing that I am simultaneously installing them. One more workbench and the last workbench that I would recommend if you want to create exploded view, which is exploded assembly workbench. Okay, so again here you can see example of it. And all you need to do to install is click on install. So in this way guys, we just saw we installed 4 different workbenches and how easy it was to add them all. Now let me quickly go here, and now I can see these workbenches are now being added. So let me actually click here on this part, and from here I would like to go to fastener and it should come here. So now you can see the fastener workbench arrived. And how easy was to add fastener here. And again, just like we installed, if you want to uninstall it, you can go back here on tool, add-on manager, and from here you can uninstall them. For example, you want to uninstall this A2plus, simply need to select it and then click on install. So that's how guys you can improve your overall experience in FreeCAD by installing add-ons. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then be sure to subscribe to Engineering with Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series and other engineering related topics. And I will see you around in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.